Hello, welcome to this video tutorial FLG Tutor Kindle. Alright, we are going to look at how to decrease the size of your text in Microsoft Word. How to decrease the size of your text in Microsoft Word. Decrease. This is what we are going to do. What we are saying is that we want to reduce the size of our text in Microsoft Word. Now let's go to our Start tab, type Word. Let's open a document. Okay, practical. All right, let's maximize. Going to close this now. Okay, these are text in our document, Microsoft Word document. We want to decrease, remember, we want to decrease the size of the document. All right, let's work on difference between input and output device. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to come in, you highlight or select, and then you go to where you have font size. Okay, you click on the arrow. By default is 11 font size, so want to reduce it from 11. Let's say want to use 9 as what the font size. Okay, now you come here. All right, you click 9. You see, by the time you click it, it becomes what smaller. The size will what decrease compared to the previous font size. Now the previous one was 11. Okay, at the same time you can increase it. By the time you scroll to higher number, it will be what increasing. But when you go to lower numbers, okay, in sequence, it will be what reducing. I think the minimum there is 8. Okay, but if you don't want 8, you can come here and change the number. Maybe you type 4, it become more smaller. You see that? All right, we are going to use 9. Go to the default 11. This is the default size, and we are going to decrease it to 9. Okay, so that is how you can decrease the font size of your text. I believe you understand, and you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. Click subscribe, or on your YouTube search tab type Friday Anselm to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.